In this video, I will show you how to enable airplane mode in mobile device. So open the setting. Now here you will see option airplane mode. Select this setting to on position to turn on airplane mode on your mobile device. Now make sure once you turn on airplane mode, internet connection will be disabled and you are not able to take call or dial the call. And once you need to turn off airplane mode, so just make it off. Once you turn on, you will see this symbol, airplane symbol, in the top bar of your mobile device. So this is the method you can turn on or turn off airplane mode in mobile device. Thanks for watching.